Na kabinta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam ta kasni. Kajinyalang kanhun menteri ka Sorkar MDA klashim rai ban Mynjur ban thaw ye ka Meghalaya Social Welfare Recruitment Board MSWRB ban pinkloi ki kam ki jam ban pindap ye ka jing thungkam ha ki kam ki balat ha katnat Sorkar ya thu ba polling do menteri katnat Social Welfare men ha kasni balang. Hadin ka jingyalang ka kinhun menteri balalum da menteri rangba ka jalao Conrad ki sangma layatai ka jingdon kam kerki ban thungkam no haki kam ki ba lat thali khnang ba onla ban shim khiai ka jingduna ki nong trai hakatnan habai kren ba ki nong tho khubor menteri katnat social welfare uba polling do ulong ban bin kloino eki kam ki jam ban yo penrung kam haki kam ki balan ka kinhun menteri ka bla ai ka jing Mynjur ban thawi ka Meghalaya Social Welfare Recruitment Board ban yat bet ka kam na pen kham ti ka board ya ka jingkir khli ka ba pher bar kham tam ya ka jingdon kam kerki ban shim kya ya ka jingduna ki nong trai da ka ba thung kam no mardor ki kam ki balat thali bar ka benram nuksang idan bun ko ban rupu arngut ki ladies supervisors ya ka ba ompat shim na thung kam bat prangut ki child development project officer CDPO shushu ka kinhun menteri kala Mynjur ban thaw ya ka Meghalaya Social Welfare Recruitment Board ka ban khli da ka chairperson ka badai ban bat ika kadan commissioner and secretary jong ka Sorkar Meghalaya hagatnat social welfare but ka director kum ka member secretary ula.
It's very important for us to also keep in mind that apart from your having welcomed me here as Minister of Social Welfare, there is, the term minister is not just a noun, it's also a verb. And the meaning of the word minister as a verb is to attend to the needs of others. To minister to someone means to attend to the need of others. So it's not just a privilege, it's not just about power, it's not just as is very common parlance these days to say high level, but it is nothing to do with high level, it is serving, catering, and going down to the grassroots to find out what are the needs and to cater to those needs. So I think apart from everything else, I would like to take this name and the office of a minister keeping that verb in mind, to tend to the needs of others. One of the greatest human beings who ever walked the face of this earth, Mother Teresa, had said that the greatest affliction that confronts humanity is not cholera, is not tuberculosis, but it is the sense of not being wanted. And it is our responsibility as a government. A lot of government officers, in fact, have this tendency to think that government would mean the 12 members of the ministry of the government of Meghalaya, forgetting that they themselves are also part, parcel, and co-traveler in this entire journey, the yatra that we have to take this state forward. I'm amused that sometimes even members belonging to staff in the state secretariat think of government as people who occupy chambers as cabinet ministers. But government belongs to each one of you. And we will be able to succeed in our mission only when each one of you thinks in those terms. You have a responsibility, we have a responsibility to fulfill. I'd like to break down this word responsibility to address one very important aspect of what it means to be responsible. responsibility, especially to our officers manning various departments and shouldering various responsibilities. Please keep this in mind. Responsibility also means responsibility. Your ability to respond to situations, to challenges, to problems, to issues. Friends, I'm also happy to announce here that last week we had a very fruitful discussion. I'm happy that our Chief Minister joined us in the discussions with the Honourable Minister for Social Justice and Empowerment in the Government of India, Dr. Virendra Kumar, and after almost an hour-long discussion, we could convince him that one of the pending projects, the creation of a Centre for Disability Sports at Maukanu, New Shillong, will fructify soon. And he has given us his assurance that the project will indeed be funded by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. I'm sure that with this project commencing soon, we should be able to see that various sports for which persons or PWDs can participate will be part of the National Games 2027. Without taking more time, I also would like to once again remind each one of us that we have a mission to fulfill. It's very important that when we are in a mission mode, to remind ourselves that the basic elementary qualification for all of us to don the mantle of a missionary is to look beyond the comforts of the self.
Okay, so actually here is an app that is Yes to Access app. The yes to access. S to Access. S to Access app is like that. And those who will be enrolled, and after that the social audit will be like this. You can Avesha start audit. And after that the location will be come directly through GPRS. And we will write here the what is the name of the place. The name of the place is the art and culture. So I will be right here.